Hey all you ghosts and goblins, we're back with another episode of Is It Worth It? Are you gonna buy your costume at a store or are you gonna make your own? We reached out to 5 team members and they went out and bought a brand new costume and then they came up with their own homemade costume. Watch as they strut their stuff and show you their Halloween creations. Let's go.
I didn't think that this one would actually come out so good because it's the first time I actually made a costume. I ended up going to Hobby Lobby and buying sleeves and a t-shirt. My favorite part of making this costume was probably my kids laughing at me like, what are you doing?
This was just a t-shirt from Walmart. And then I have a pair of tights. You can use just basic drugstore makeup, white eyeliner, big pink cheap blush, just highlighter pink. I think my favorite part was just like having the creativity to just be silly.
I actually found an old shirt that I had. I also pulled out a vest of sorts like this. So I actually had my kids when they were younger and just designed these jeans. And what you see is some of their artwork that I've had for over 10 plus years.
I had the shoes, I had a headband, just some gym shorts. I had a Pelican jersey that I wore to a game one time. It was kind of cool to just make your own costume.
This is like normal clothes. That was just somebody else's trash. That was my treasure. I got it from Goodwill. I went in with open mind. I had a few pictures on my phone, just like what do people in the 70s wear, like some hippies inspired.
I felt like a superhero. Who doesn't like to play dress up? The zipper actually got caught when I was putting it on. When I was walking down the runway, I was like, I hope this zipper stays where it's supposed to.
Cute little stripe going on. Nothing screams 50s like hot pink. Totally plan on wearing this outside. And then of course it did come with the poodle skirt. That thing is frumpy.
I was laughing. I was having so much fun just walking around the campus in this thing. It was a little hot, yeah, but like having everybody like look at me and like laugh at me or with me rather.
First part is this dress, and it actually has the fringy vest attached to it. It comes with this headband and then these. I don't know what you're actually supposed to do with these unless you just happen to have a shoe that perfectly matches this.
It was great just to step inside the character for a little bit. Stuff with a lot of cushion from the inside to kind of give the muscular look, as you can see there.
It may be worth buying a store-bought costume because there's more variety. You may not have time to glue leaves to a shirt. To me, this was convenience. It just was.
Personally, I don't think it's worth it to buy the store-bought costume. I mean, like, it's convenient, sure, but it's not nearly as fun. Like, I get to be way more creative with making your own.
Let's try and do something that I can't really recreate at my house. So I decided to go with this inflatable costume, and it was so much fun. Whereas like my homemade one is literally just stuff that like I would have every day. Totally worth it.
The store-bought costume, while it did have more pieces and it was easier for me to just click a button, the material was uncomfortable and it's kind of corny. Like, they didn't actually wear peace signs back in the 70s all over their wardrobe. The homemade costume was just a lot more fun to make, cheaper, first of all, and just more comfortable.
I enjoyed the runway doing both. This one was one of my favorites. I like that one too, but I think this one was one of my favorites. To me, it was a no-brainer. Go ahead and do it. And I know some people will probably look at it and say, that's a lot for a costume. Go ahead and it'll more than pay for itself in the end.
We hope you had a spooktacular time, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any new videos. See you next time. Bye.